GPS run. Kind of windy. Dre said he wanted to take a shot. GPS is in the boat. Boat's taped up. He's gonna make some passes. Got a head breeze, got a hard breeze. Make as many as you want. This is how you document them speed runs. You know, you keep the camera running until you take that off. Yeah, when you hey, get the battery checker out. Untape it.
You ain't put nothing in the water today, huh?
Nah. You gotta document everything.
What's that? 54.
That's it. Man, it's rough out here, man.
It's rough, man.
That boat is faster than that.
Yeah, it is.
What are you using?
54? Yeah. I got it. That is 54.
54!